If you've been searching for homes, you've probably noticed that many communities have a common fee called the CDD fee. Well, I'm going to explain what this fee is, but more importantly, toward the end of this video, I will point out what you need to know about this fee. Hi, I'm Denise Hunton, Broker Associate with Exit Real Estate Gallery. CDD is an acronym for Community Development District, which pretty much sums up the definition of this fee. Its purpose is to cover the initial cost of the infrastructure of the community as well as continued maintenance. Roads, utilities, schools, even amenities are some of the items defined as infrastructure. These fees typically range between $1,000 and $3,500 a year, depending on the features of the community. And unlike typical homeowners association fees, they are included in the yearly tax bill under a separate non-ad valorem assessment. Now, here's what you need to know. CDD fees consist of three parts: a municipal bond, operations and management, and county taxes. The municipal bond was a loan acquired to pay for the initial infrastructure of the community. And just like any other loan, it can be paid off, typically in a time frame of 20 to 35 years if it hasn't been refinanced. The operations and management and county taxes, however, are ongoing. These cannot and will not be paid off ever. On average, this portion of the fee consists of approximately 2/3 of the total CDD fee. So, when you see an advertisement that states CDD fee paid off, just know that they are referencing the bond portion only of the CDD fee. The common misconception is that a payoff eliminates the entire CDD fee, and that is simply not the case. As always, I hope this information was helpful. If you have any questions about this subject matter or have any other real estate questions or needs, please feel free to reach out to me. Or if you would like to see more videos like this, then be sure to follow me on Facebook or Instagram or subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm Denise Hunton with Exit Real Estate Gallery, and I'm here to provide you with a smarter approach to real estate.